Hello there. Today we're going to talk about homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. This is a continuation of another lesson that I already posted. So, what's the difference between the word pair and pear? They sound exactly the same but have different spellings and different meanings. The word pair, P-A-I-R, means two things. Think about a pair of shoes or a pair of gloves for your hands. He bought a pair of shoes, so it is two things. Pear, P-E-A-R, is a fruit. Maybe you have this fruit in your country, maybe you don't. When I was growing up, we had a pear tree in our yard. So pears are usually either yellow or green. So it is a fruit. He loves to eat pear salad. So pear, P-A-I-R, means two things, and pear, P-E-A-R, means a fruit. And that's the difference. The next homophone that we're going to talk about is sun and sun. This sun is the big star in the sky. The sun is bright today, right? The sun. And you spell that S-U-N. Different from the word son, S-O-N, which means a male child. Her son is 5 years old. Sun, S-U-N, is what is in the sky that shines brightly. And S-O-N is a male child. And that's the difference. This homophone is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, is like a plant that has this part is called the flower. The flower is pink. I tried to draw a picture there so you could see the flower. This flower, F-L-O-U-R, is used in baking. It's an ingredient. It's used for bread, cakes, cookies. I need flour to bake bread. When we say flour, F-L-O-U-R, we do not mean this kind of plant flour. We mean the ingredient that is used to make or bake something like bread or cakes or cookies. So that's the difference between flour, F-L-O-W-E-R, and flower, F-L-O-U-R. Remember, all of these words are homophones, same sound. They sound the same, but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Our next pair of homophones is male and male. You say these the same way, male and male. This male, M-A-I-L, is letters or things that come in a mailbox, okay? I drew a picture here of in the United States, our mailboxes look similar to that, where the postman brings letters or mail, okay? I checked my mail this morning. Many of us now have email. So it's still letters that come electronically, electronic mail, email. So mail, M-A-I-L, is spelled the same way for mail or letters that you get at your home, or if you put an E on front of it, email. But male and male sound exactly the same. M-A-L-E means not a female, but a boy or a man. is a male, M-A-L-E. The male bird is blue. Sometimes animals are a certain color based on whether or not they are male or female. Male, M-A-I-L, is letters. M-A-L-E is not female, but male. Okay, the next set of homophones is road and road. This road, R-O-A-D, means the same thing as the word street, road and street. The road is busy, and I drew what looks like a road or a street here for you. This road, R-O-D-E, is the past tense of the verb ride. He rode his bike to school. Road, R-O-A-D, is a street. Road, R-O-D-E, is the past tense of the verb ride. And that's the difference. So those are our homophones for today. I hope that you will subscribe and continue learning English with me word by word.